There are so many gimmicks and toys that promise a streamlined and simplified smoking experience. Few are sleek and ergonomic. All are lacking at least a grinder, if not so many other considerations for what the modern smoker really needs. We knew that we needed the very best tool with the very best quality at the very best price. In the early design phase, we knew we were onto something special with the tote bud. Every consideration has been made: removable scraper, poker, press, lighter holster, product storage, anti-clump grinder, hemp wick, screens. It's portable, it's lightweight, but made from durable stainless steel, aluminum, and polymer resins. The consumer can't get enough of digging through and finding new uses that suit his particular smoking style. Being so diverse in its offering, the tote bud is ideally positioned to appeal to virtually all niches of the modern-day smoker, and can suffice for everything that you need for your smoke if you don't want all the bells and whistles of grinders, scrapers, storage, etc. Just grab your all-in-one tool when leaving for the office, heading out camping or skiing, or on the way to the concert or club.
The future of health is not a thing that tracks your heart rate night and day, that gives you the most accurate sleep data, that tracks your heart rate during your workout, that predicts your period a month early and alerts you a week before it starts, that senses your blood oxygen levels, that knows when you might be feeling unwell, even before you do, that's water resistant up to 330 feet. The future of health is not a ring. The future of health is you.
Put your feet up and take a load off with the Underdesk Hammock by Uplift Desk. Parachute nylon fabric wraps around your body and keeps you suspended under your desk for comfortable breaks between work. Simply secure the hammock onto your Uplift Desk frame and you're ready to rest. Pair your desk with the Uplift Desk Connect dongle and app to raise and lower your desk with your phone so you can stay laid back.
What's the most famous pistol in your mind? My answer will always be the M1911. a pistol that most Americans have agreed with for the past century. It was designed by Mr. John Moses Browning and served as the standard issue sidearm for the United States Armed Forces since 1911. It's not only a pistol, but also represents the honor and pride of Americans. The M1911H is a card holder that pays tribute to the M1911. It's a two-piece card holder that simulates its reloading action. When you press the release button, the inner magazine will be released from the outside case so that you can take your cards out from it with one hand. After you've finished, you can simply push the magazine back until you hear that famous click sound.